Thank you for choosing Pop On Veneers. Inside the box, you will find impression supplies and an impression guide. Please read through the guide before starting your impressions. Each box has 3 double-sided impression trays, 3 blue base putty containers, and 3 white catalyst putty containers. You will also find a pair of gloves and a poker tool. The double-sided impression tray will make both your top and bottom impressions at the same time. If you ordered only top or only bottom veneers, you will still make a double-sided impression. This way, we'll be able to see exactly where your top and bottom teeth meet, so we can design your veneers precisely. Step 1. Before you begin to make your impressions, we'll need to see your natural smile first. Please brush your teeth and rinse your mouth. Get your mobile phone and prepare to snap some selfies. Please smile naturally and bite down so your back teeth touch. Take 3 selfie pictures, one from the front, one from your right side, and one from your left side. Email your photos to photos@poponveneers.com. The subject is your name and order number. If you suffer from loose teeth, loose fillings, loose crowns, or severe gum disease, please consult a dentist. Do not make an impression. Step 2. Now it's time to get set up for success. Arrange your materials accordingly to ensure you've got everything you need to make great impressions. In addition to your Pop On Veneers impression kit, you'll need a timer set to 7 minutes, a mirror, and a tissue. Now, please put on the gloves. Place 1 impression tray on top of the enclosed clear bag. Place the poker tool next to the impression tray. Take out 1 blue putty container and 1 white putty container. Don't open them yet. Step 3. Practice makes perfect. Let's do a practice run without putty before we start to make our impressions. Locate the V-shaped side of the impression tray. This is the top. Grab the tray with your thumb under the handle, V-shape up. Look in the mirror. Aim to bite in the middle of the mesh, away from the plastic edges. Open nice and wide and insert the tray into your mouth. Bite down 1 time without adjusting your mouth or the tray. Bite down as hard as you can so your top teeth touch your bottom teeth. Do not open your jaw or reposition your teeth. To avoid gagging, be sure to breathe through your nose and try tilting your head slightly backwards. Pull your lips over the tray. You just want to see the handle coming out of your mouth. Now, massage the skin around your lips. Use your fingers to deeply pat and press the skin around your mouth in an upwards motion. Start massaging from the front of your mouth and move towards your cheeks. This will imprint your gum line on the putty material. Great job! Please use your tissue to dry the tray. Feel free to practice as many times as you'd like so you're comfortable and confident to start making your impressions. If your tray is too small for your mouth because your back teeth are biting into the hard plastic, please take a picture and email team@poponveneers.com with your order number to order a complimentary large tray. Step 4. Ready to make your impressions? First, verify your timer is set to 7 minutes. Start your timer. Remove 1 blue putty and 1 white putty from their containers. Mix the blue and white putty quickly, in less than 30 seconds. Use your thumbs to pull and fold the putty together until you achieve a uniform blue color, just like stretching pizza dough. Make sure there's no white showing. You don't want to see any white. Now, use your palms to roll the putty into a log. There should be about 6 minutes left on your timer. Step 5. Separate the putty into 2 equal halves using your poker tool. Roll 1 half into a log. Place this log onto the mesh of the bottom side of the tray, the side without the V shape. Use your thumb to push any excess putty away from the middle net section and towards the handle. Flip the tray over and place down on the clear bag. Roll the remaining half of the putty into a log. Place this log onto the mesh of the empty side of the tray. This is your top. Push with your thumb to ensure the middle net section of the tray is clear of putty. Your timer should read about 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Step 6. Get ready to bite. Take your poker tool. Poke 2 shallow holes in the center of the putty on the top side, the side with the V shape. Not too far front, not too far back, but right in the center of the tray. Grab the tray with your thumb under the handle. V shape up. Look in the mirror. Insert the tray into your mouth. Align your top front teeth to the poked holes. Bite down one time, really hard, all the way into the 2 poked holes. You want your top teeth to touch your bottom teeth. It is essential that you bite all the way down. Bite down as hard as you can, but do not wiggle the tray or reposition your teeth at all. Just keep biting, all the way down. Stay in a clenching position. Do not open your jaw. Do not reposition your teeth. To avoid gagging, be sure to breathe through your nose and try tilting your head slightly backwards. Pull your lips over the tray. You just want to see the handle coming out of your mouth. Your timer should read about 5 minutes. Step 7. Now, massage the skin around your lips, directly under your nose, for about 10 seconds. Use your fingers to deeply pat the skin around the rest of your mouth in an upwards motion for about 1 minute. Start massaging from the front of your mouth and move towards your cheeks. This will imprint your gum line on the putty material. After you've given yourself a nice massage, you'll wait until your timer beeps. You can hang out here with us for 5 minutes, or skip ahead in the video to join us when you're ready to take out your impression tray. Welcome back. After 5 minutes, when your timer beeps, open your jaw. Remove the impression tray. If it helps, you can wiggle the impression tray in small right to left movements to remove it from your mouth. Wipe away any drool. Step 8. Wondering how you did? Check out this checklist before you make your next impression to see if you hit all the points. Hold your impression up to the light. If you can see the light through your impression at the spots where your teeth bit down, great! This means you were able to bite down all the way. If the putty is too thick at your teeth marks and you can't see the light shining through, you did not bite down hard enough. If you're missing teeth, the putty will be thick and light will not shine through in the missing teeth areas. This is okay and nothing to worry about. Next, confirm you can see the gum line. This is the arch of each tooth, where your gums meet your teeth. We want to see the individual arcs of each tooth. If you can't see the arc of each tooth, you may not have massaged deeply enough. Next time, massage deeper to ensure you're imprinting the gum line onto the putty. Now, check for drag marks. If you removed the impression putty too early, or if you wiggled the tray after you bit down, the putty will stretch and deform, and we won't get a good look at your teeth. If you see the putty looks misshapen or pulled kind of like chewing gum, next time remember to bite down one time really hard all the way down. Don't move the tray once you bite. Lastly, make sure the putty is a uniform blue color. If you have any white, be sure to pull and fold the putty next time until no white is showing. You don't want to see any white. Step 9. Ready to do it all again? Keeping all of this in mind, please proceed with your next double-sided impression. You can restart this video if you'd like us to walk you through it again. After you have completed all of your impressions, please remember to do the following. Record any notes on your order form, which is on the inside of your box. Enclose your impressions in the box. Use the enclosed return shipping label, which is attached to the box. Drop off with the appropriate carrier based on your return label. Thank you again for choosing Pop On Veneers. We look forward to celebrating your new smile.